Welcome back, all you awe-inspiring gladiators. Welcome back to the last of the series of the Sledgehammer's Edge Powerpack. In this session, I am going to reveal to you the sixth sledgehammering move that I took to reach this level of success I'm experiencing today in an environment which is so highly disrupted by the pandemic. But before I do that, let me just recap on the first five. Number one, I redefined my mindset because I knew that my mindset would have to have enormous amount of strength and resilience to fight these new challenges that were surrounding me. Number two, I redefined my vision and my mission and my goals because they were created in an ecosystem which didn't exist anymore today. Number three, I redefined my customer understanding because no customers, no business. Number four, I redefined my modus operandi. What was I doing before the pandemic? I was a CEO coach, I was a business mentor, I was a leadership empowerer, traveling north, east, west and south of this country and it's beyond its borders, with one major passion, one single passion, to create awe-inspiring leaders who could think from a high level of consciousness. The situation had changed now. And instead of groping in the dark, I started picking up courses, paying for them, educating myself on social media marketing, on various ways to do business. I picked up courses for entrepreneurs. I started paying for online summits and online conferences. I started attending them with a lot of vigor because I just had to understand this new normal and its challenges. And that is what brought me to my fifth most important redefining sledgehammering move. I began to identify all the limitations that surrounded me and I started turning each of them one by one into my strength. And that led me to the great finale, my sixth most important sledgehammering move, which gave me the success that I was working so hard towards at this point in time. Would you like to know about it? Well, sure. Relax and imagine a sledgehammer's edge universe. A universe filled with planets. A collective energy of wisdom, knowledge, and empowerment. Each planet doing something amazing for you. One planet called the Sledgehammer's Edge Powerpacks, a stack of modules to empower you, to make you iconic in whatever you're doing. Another planet, the Sledgehammer's Edge Impact, live talk shows, recorded talk shows with successful entrepreneurs in India and abroad who, like me, fought and won against this highly disruptive disruption. Then you have another planet, which is called the Sledgehammer's Edge Rendezvous, a meeting point for all you people to sit down, discuss, talk, find solutions, network, and promote each other's business. Then we have the Sledgehammer's Edge Knowledge Center, a virtual library, videos, books, things you could refer to further empower yourself. And then, of course, we've got the Sledgehammer's Edge Care to further empower people outside of the universe and to make them successful in whatever they do. Similarly, there are several other planets orbiting around within the Sledgehammer's Edge universe. This was my vision, my mission, and my goal when I started off with the first sledgehammering move that I took, redefining my mindset. So here it is, my dear gladiators. You can do anything as long as you have faith that you can. And if I can, of course, so can you. So this brings us to the end of this entire Sledgehammer Sedge Powerpack series. And dear gladiators, don't forget that I have opened my doors for a one-on-one meeting with any one of you who are struggling as entrepreneurs and would like to know what is the next step forward you need to take to become super iconic. Please reach out to me on my email ID and we can absolutely have a ball of a time together. 20 minutes, and I assure you, if I may not be able to get the solutions you require, I will trigger your thought process strong enough for you to become successful. And these are all free sessions. No strings attached. Let me assure you this. So, have a wonderful life. Till we meet again in another session I am planning. Stay safe, stay calm, stay inspired. Love you guys.